एबीसीडी केतेटा लेटर 26 टा लेटर आमे 26 टा लेटर सहित किछि किछि वर्ड डाकिबा हैला मु डाकिबी तमे मो सहित डाकिबो मु जेमति बोलिबी सेमति बोलिबो A for apple, A for ant,
A for apple, A for ant.
B for bat, B for ball,
B for bat, B for ball.
C for cat, C for cock,
C for cat, C for cock.
D for dog, D for dust,
D for dog, D for dust.
E for egg, E for elephant,
E for egg, E for elephant.
A for fish, A for fan,
A for fish, A for fan.
G for goat, G for grass.
G for goat, G for grass.
गोट माने कौन गोट माने छेली आ ग्रास माने घास घास समझ देखिछो छेली कौन खाए घास खाए H for hand, H for hat,
H for hat, H for hat.
hand माने कौन हाथ हला hat माने हम जो टोपी पिनथंती बुझी पाइलो तापरे I for ink, I for insect,
I for ink, I for insect.
J for juice, J for jar,
J for juice, J for jar.
K for king, K for kite,
K for king, K for kite.
king माने राजा kite माने गोडी आमी जोटा उडांती हला L for lamp, L for lamp,
L for lamp, L for
lamp, M for man, M for monkey,
M for man, N for monkey.
N for neck, N for nose,
N for neck, N for nose.
O for orange, O for onion,
O for orange, O for onion.
P for pig, P for parrot,
P for pig, P for parrot.
parrot माने कौन सुआ Q for queen, Q for quill,
Q for queen, Q for queen.
R for rose, R for ring,
R for rose, R for ring.
S for sun, S for sunflower,
S for sun,
S for sunflower, T for